INPT hopes for cessation of relation between IPFT and BJP in the interest of spirit of the new alliance of tribal parties. Asserting this in an interaction with the media today, the INPT President Bijoy Kumar Rankal said that as per the core principle of the Memorandum of Understanding, all tribal-based parties will have to cease relationship with national parties like the BJP, Congress and CPIM so that tribal politics and affairs of ADC remains exclusively in the hands of the tribal-based parties.
শাসক দলের শরীর প্রথমে আমি বলবো বর্তমান শাসক বিজেপি আইপিএফটি জোট সরকার সম্পূর্ণ ব্যর্থ। আইপিএফটি সরাসরি না বললেও পরোক্ষভাবে বলতে চাইছে যে বিজেপির সঙ্গে আইপিএফটি বিগত 2018 সালের নির্বাচনী সমঝোতা করে ত্রিপুরায় ক্ষমতা আসার পরে দেখেছে যে ওরা সম্পূর্ণ ব্যর্থ এবং একটা দল একটা জাতীয় দলের সঙ্গে থাকার পরেও অন্য একটা দলের সঙ্গে মিশে যাবে সেটা ওই দলের ব্যক্তিগত তাদের একটা অধিকার, তাদের সিদ্ধান্ত, সেখানে আমাদের কোনো বক্তব্য নেই। তবে আমরা আইপিএফ থেকে সাধারণ সম্ভাষণা জানাবো আইএনপিটি যে লক্ষ্যে বোয়াগড়া ত্রিপুরার সঙ্গে সমঝোতা করে এডিসি নির্বাচনে লড়াই করতে চেয়েছিলাম, সেই জায়গায় আইপিএফটিও শাসক দলে থাকার পরও আইএনপিটির পথ অবলম্বন করে দিল্লিতে হলেও এসেছে। কারণ আপনারা জানেন ইতিমধ্যে
Bijoy Kumar Rankal further said that they support the demand for greater Tripura land provided the Royal Ujjanta Palace at Agartala and tribal dominated areas of the town like Krishnanagar and Nandanagar from part of this. Apart from this, he extended INPT's full support to the demand for revocation of CAA law and implementation of NRC for identification and deportation of foreign nationals. The issue of direct funding of ADC by centre is also a dearly espoused cause of the INPT. Sources in the new front said that INPT was taken aback yesterday as IPFT General Secretary and Tribal Welfare Minister Mebar Kumar Jamatia told a press conference that IPFT will continue in the government and the relationship of the party with the BJP at state level will remain the same as it is now. Sources said that before signing of the agreement between Tripura Motha and IPFT, there had been an understanding between INPT and Tripura Motha that the new alliance will be exclusively tribal based and no party shall keep any understanding with the other national political parties. But then the agreement with IPFT had been signed yesterday in the afternoon, initiated by Pradyot and Narendra Chandra Deb Barma on a 5-point charter of demands and issues. The demands include greater Tripura land, inner line permit for ADC areas, inclusion of tribal Kokborok language in Roman script in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution, unwritten understanding that the parties will have nothing to do with any national party like BJP, Congress and CPIM. But in the press conference held yesterday in the evening, the Tribal Welfare Minister and IPFT General Secretary Mebar Kumar Jamatia said that his party will continue in the state government, clearly indicating that IPFT's relationship with BJP at the state level will remain intact. Following which contradictions within the new tribal front comprising Tripura Motha headed by Pradyut, INPT and IPFT have come to the fore amidst clear indications that INPT is preparing to rethink the matter within 3 or 4 days. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.